This video is about chair yoga. Hi, my name's Jessie, and today I'm going to show you a yoga sequence that you can use at the office if you are seated a lot, or even if you're taking a long car ride. To begin, we're going to just place our hands on our knees, and on our exhale, we're going to breathe. Just exhale, follow the breath. Inhale, breathe in, filling the stomach, diaphragm, and chest. Always just taking a moment to check in. Taking a moment to do this at the beginning of the video, just in case you cut out at the end. Roll up your mat during Shavasana, like I tend to do. Just breathing. And next we can do some seated cat-cows. Just bring the hands to the knees. On the exhale, slide the hands back towards you, bring the shoulder blades together, drop the head back. Like you're trying to pinch a pencil blade between your shoulder blades. Exhale, slide the hands back down, roll the shoulders in, arch the spine, chin to chest. Inhaling, opening up, sliding the hands back towards you. Shoulder blades come together. Exhale, just roll in, slide the hands back down the legs, arching the spine, chin to chest, really rolling the spine. Inhale, come back. Head comes back, shoulder blades come together, really trying to pop the chest open. Exhale, slide the hands down, chin to chest, roll the spine in. Then just come back to a seated position. We can do a twist now. Just bring the left hand to the right knee. Bring the right hand back behind you, grabbing the chair. Just look back over that right shoulder. Inhaling through the nose, sitting up tall, exhaling, relaxing, and releasing. Staying with the breath. Slowly turn back to center, and then just bring the right hand to the left knee. The left hand comes back behind you. Just sit up tall, look off to that left side. Right shoulder comes forward, the left shoulder comes back. Really working to relax and release into the pose. Well done. Slowly turn back to center. From here we can bring the left hand down and then just look off to the right side. Lift the right arm up. Lengthen through the fingertips. Relax the shoulders and then just lean to the side, keeping the sit bones on the chair. Just releasing into the posture. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Slowly drop the right arm down, lifting the left arm up. Look off to the left side. Lengthen through the fingertips, plug that shoulder socket in, and then just lean to the side. Make sure you keep the sit bones on the floor. And slowly come back to center. Next, you can come to the edge of your seat and maybe even do a little bit of core work. Bring the legs out in front of you. And lift them up, bring them back down. Lift them up, bring them back down. Again. And last time. Well done. Next, leave the left heel on the floor. Just lift up the right leg, keeping that right leg straight. 4, and one more, 5. Well done. Next, the left leg. Keep the left foot flexed to reach through the ball of the big toe, the inner heel, as you pull the pinky toe back towards you. And one more. Well done. Just bend the knees. Scoot back. Bring the soles of the feet together. Maybe do a seated bound angle. Stack the spine up over the hips. Pushing the heels together and engaging the glutes. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Slowly bring the feet back to the floor. On the in-breath, bring the arms up, look up, lace the fingers together, push through the palms of the hands. Try to get the arms lined up with the ears. Relax on your exhale. Again. Exhale, relax and release. One more time. Exhale, relax and release. Just allow yourself to fold forward. Folding forward over your legs. Just letting go. Slowly roll yourself back up. We can do some seated shoulder rotations. Just bring the shoulders up and around and back. This one can be very nice if you tend to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. Just reverse. Well done. Now just take a moment to check in with your breath. Maybe close your eyes if that works for you. And just take a moment for yourself. Honoring yourself, honoring why you came to the mat today, or the chair in this instance. Slowly, we can open our eyes, bring your hands to prayer position, heart center. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, click the little gear button so that you're notified of any future videos, which there will be more. May love and light be yours. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.